Coping with a traumatic health issue is hard enough on its own. The last thing you want to be worrying about is your finances. That's where trauma insurance, also known as critical illness, can be a game changer. You'll receive a lump sum payment if you suffer a serious specified illness to help with your expenses while you focus on getting back to your best. It can help if you need to take time off work, fit out your house to be more accessible, or even move states to be closer to family. If you're looking for cover, Compare the Market has these tips. Number one, weigh up your needs when deciding on a level of cover. To make an estimate, you'll want to consider things like mortgage repayments, school fees, medical expenses, household bills, and credit card debts. While it may be tempting to opt for the cheapest policy, it's worth considering the conditions covered and the level of severity required to make a claim. We recommend reading the product disclosure statement before purchasing a policy. Number two, definitions vary, so pay close attention to what's covered in your policy. Typically, you'll be able to claim for things like certain cancers, heart attacks, organ failure, severe burns, major head trauma, and the loss of limbs. However, the specific conditions and the level of severity covered can vary between insurers. That's why it's so important to check your product disclosure statement for details. Depending on your age and lifestyle, you may be predisposed to conditions that are not included in some policies. For example, if you smoke, you may not be able to get cover for lung and mouth cancers. Point number three, look out for a little known feature of trauma insurance called a reinstatement option. This allows you to buy back your trauma insurance plan 12 months after you've made a claim. Now, all these things are factored in the price you pay, your premium. This means that if you fall ill with a second illness listed on your policy, you'll have the option to make a second claim. You can compare policies from a range of providers with different policy features, costs and exclusions with Compare the Market.